India and Vietnam have signed joint vision statement on defense partnership towards 2030, which will significantly enhance the scope and scale of existing defense cooperation. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held bilateral talks with Vietnam's Minister of National Defense General P.V. Giang in Hanoi today. The Reserve Bank of India on Wednesday increased the repo rate by 50 basis points to 4.90%. The current repo rate is 4.40% after the rates were increased by 40 basis points at an off-cycle meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee. Meghalaya State Women's Conference commences today. Event was graced virtually by Union Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Zubin Irani, while Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma served as chief guest. Returning from the two-day National Education Ministers' Conference, which was held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Education Minister Lakhman Rumboi said discussions revolved around how states could take education forward in line with objectives set under National Education Policy. The state government has decided to notify an area in the Bagmara Reserve Forest as a pitcher plant sanctuary. The decision was taken at a meeting of the State Board for Wildlife chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday.